OFM Sport.
France, I don't want to call it a B team, but your team that played tonight, or the guys, the fringe players that don't get enough game time or often enough, how do you feel they performed tonight? You put up a good score. It looked like it's pointing towards an 80-minute performance from the team, so you must be happy with those kind of things.
Look, Morgs, I don't think there was a lot of guys in that didn't play a lot over the last couple of months. Injury, Sasko coming back from injury and all of that. But I mean, I tried to put some senior heads in there as well, like Gipa and Zander he was in there. Tian has played a lot of rugby over South Africa, so I tried to even it out a bit. From the playing part, I was happy with the first 10, 20 minutes and then the last 5. I mean, the tries that they scored against us was just 1 or 2 guys going off on their own thing. And if we're going into the Currie Cup, we need better performances. And it's the same thing. We lost the ball in contact 7 times in the first half. We need to fix the small things. And I think the times for excuses are done. I mean, I think out of everybody, we rotated the most during the SA Cup, or not when we were in trouble, but I mean, over the last year and a half, we rotated a lot. So at the end, the guys worked hard. It was a scrappy game, but as soon as they decide they're going to run straight, keep the ball, go through phases, we put teams under pressure. So we just need to we need to get confidence out of that and build on that.
But it's important to see a guy like Tabong, even Gipa, scoring tries the way they did. Tabong is a guy that hasn't had much game time.
Yeah.
He had an 80-minute tonight, scored a beautiful try. Gipa as well scored that try. You could see the smile, what it meant for him. So that must really be pleasing for a coach to see, that almost you could see the belief coming into those guys when they were scoring.
Yeah, definitely. I need us to be more clinical during a game. Not just 5 minutes here or 10 minutes there. We need to be more solid and how can I say, more average during the bad parts, because we have very good and then we have very bad. We don't have a middle where we just absorb a bit of pressure and fix mistakes. And when we go bad, it's mistake after mistake after mistake, and that puts us under pressure. But like I said, there was some very good stuff. There were some great tries that we scored. And then they worked hard. So I will never fault anybody if they tried their best and they worked hard on the field.
And you got Black Lion coming up now on Sunday, which is pretty much the climax of the competition. Different team to what you guys faced last year. I don't think we can judge too much what happened with them today. We can maybe look more towards
Pumas.
their Pumas game. So it's going to be another tough one, and I'm sure for you guys also going to be ready and just want to prove a point in that game.
Yeah, we need to be ready for 80 minutes. And we're not looking at today's game that they played. I think they also had 14 or 13 changes to their team. So, we need to front up on Sunday and put out a great performance. I think we've grown a lot over the last couple of months since we played against them. So I think it will be a good challenge for us.
Just lastly, will these be your only games before the Currie Cup? Because obviously the first division is starting on the weekend, so you don't have the Griffins or someone like that at your disposal to train against.
No, Morgs. I've got trouble with rest periods and stuff. So we need to give the guys off, and we haven't had our 8-week rest or the 3-week rest, and then back into play because we played EPCR when everybody else was off. So our program looks a little bit different. So it's also about managing the squad. In the same breath, we want to get fitter, we want to get stronger for the Currie Cup. We want to keep the ball in play longer. So for us to be able to do that, we need to get fitter and stronger.